Hi everyone, it's Natalie back with Alternative Food Network, and today we're going to be making dairy-free banana bread muffins. For a full list of all ingredients and instructions for this recipe, please check out the description below. Let's get started. In a large bowl, combine flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk to combine. In the bowl of your stand mixer, cream butter and sugar until fluffy and light in color. Scrape down your bowl before adding your eggs, bananas, and vanilla, and mix until combined. To the mixer, add your flour and cinnamon. Adding your flour in a little at a time will make your mixing much easier. To your finished batter, add your berries of choice and fold in with a spatula. Add your batter to the prepared muffin tin before transferring to the oven and baking for 25 to 30 minutes. Once the timer is up, let cool for 10 minutes before serving warm. Enjoy!